I'm Stu, and I'm finally back from Mexico and up in my home state of Maine. And yes, still with the same awesome mustachio. And today, I'm here in my favorite beach town growing up, Old Orchard Beach. First things first, if you ain't from Maine, you might want to throw on jeans and a parka, because we only got about 2 real weeks of summer here, and they probably won't be the 2 weeks that you're here. And if you're French Canadian, you're not gonna listen to a word I say anyway and keep wearing that damn Speedo, so whatevs, bub. I live in New York City, and I have traveled to some of the culinary capitals of the world, in Italy, France, and throughout the US. And Old Orchard Beach, well, it's not on that list, unless you like things that are fried. And to be honest, everything fried is pretty good, right? But what it does have is great live music, great cocktails, and a beach. And honestly, that's all I'm looking for right now. If you're spending a day at the beach, it's a good idea to set up right in front of here at Pirate's Patio. Tell the wife you left something in the motel and sneak in here for a couple beers. Or better yet, invite her along. This is without a doubt the best daytime spot for beers and live music.
You are drinking at Pirate's Patio at Old Orchard Beach.
Obviously this is Maine, and so therefore you should eat as many lobster rolls as you possibly can. Most of them come with mayo, but if you're like me, you prefer them with hot butter instead. But if there's one thing that Old Orchard Beach is known for, it's the Pier French Fries. This place has been open for 90 years, burned down in a fire, and then a blizzard moved it off the pier to where it is now. These are a thick, crinkle-cut fry, the soft middle, and just a light crisp on the outside. And before you start talking trash that your waffle fries or shoestring fries are better, come and try these first, because these are addicting. And this is a serving size. And don't you dare ask for the f***ing ketchup. We use white vinegar and plenty of salt here. When the sun starts to set, the temperature drops lower than your uncle's nutsack. And that is when it's time to come to the Brunswick. This is without a doubt the most popular place for after-beach drinks, food, and live music. And they got a great outdoor patio and also picnic tables right on the beach. And then it's time to come to the pier for plenty of nightly entertainment and some heavy pours. A staple on the pier here for the last 33 years is Yo Adrian, an R-rated musical comedian.
If you're a man who wants to live a long and happy life, these are the things you don't say to your wife. Unless you're a f***ing idiot.
And one of the places he got his start is actually at my dad's bar just a few towns north of here when I was just a kid. I'd show more footage of him, but it's harder to go more than 3 seconds without him saying something that would get this video banned from Facebook. I'm Stu, and this is Old Orchard Beach, Maine.